Good morning, my dear students. As you know that this is your maths period. Okay, and in maths we are studying chapter number 4, addition of bigger numbers. Okay, and we have completed this chapter. So now today we will perform a activity related to the chapter. Okay, students, as you can see here, create and solve. Okay, we will perform this activity. Here, if this is triangle, you all know, and this is square and this is circle. Okay, so here if triangle is equal to 100 and square is equal to 10 and circle is equal to 1. Okay, the value of triangle is 100 and square 10 and the value of circle is 1. So now we have to draw and add 253 and 132. We have to solve this addition. Okay, this is your activity. Draw and add 253 and 132. So now how to solve it? Okay, I am explaining. Let's see. Create and solve. 253 and 132. We have to solve this addition. So what we have to do? First, we have to find out the place value of all the digits. Okay. As you know that in this number 3 is at 1's place, 5 is at 10's place and 2 is at 100 place. Similarly here 2 is at 1's place, 3 is at 10's place and 1 is at 100 place. Okay, so 2 is 100 place, so its place value is 200. Okay, you can write here. Okay, because 2 is at 100 place, so its place value 200 and 5 is at 10's place, so its place value is 50. 10 means 10. Okay, and the place value of 3 is 3 because 3 is at 1's place. Okay, and in this number the place value of 2 is 2 because it is at 1's place and 3 is at 10's place, so its place value is 30 and the 1 is at 100 place, so its place value is 100 because it is at 100 place. Okay, now we have to solve. Okay, 253. Okay, so here triangle is equal to 100. So in this number 2 is at 100 place, so its place value is 200. So we will draw two triangles because here is 200 and one triangle is equal to 100, like this. One triangle, so its place value is 100 and second triangle like this. Okay, now it is 200 because one triangle is equal to 100 and here is 200. Next is the digit at the 10th place is 5, so its place value 50 and the square is equal to 10. So we will draw square 5 times. Okay, because 1 square is equal to 10 and here is 50. So we will draw square like this. Okay beta, 10 2 square is 20 and 3 square is equal to 30, 4 4 square is equal to 40 and 5 square is equal to 50. Now it is 50. Okay, and the digit at the ones place is 3. So we will draw 3 circle because one circle is equal to 1 and we have to draw 3 circle. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so it is 253 plus we have to add 132. So similarly 100, one triangle is equal to 100. So we will draw only one circle, sorry, one triangle. Okay, next it is 30. So we will draw 3 square because it is 30. 1 square, 2 square is 20 and 3 square is equal to 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Okay, and the digit at the ones place is 2. Okay, so now we have to draw 2 circle because one circle is equal to 1. 1 and 2. Now it is 2. Okay beta, so now we will add these 2. Okay, so 2 and 1 is equal to 3. 2 triangle plus 1 triangle is equal to 3. So we will draw 3 triangle is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square plus 1, 2, 3. 3 square. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So we will draw 8 squares. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay beta, and next 1, 2, 3. 3 square plus 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 circle plus 1, 2. 2 circle. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we will draw it here because here is no space. Okay beta, so we will draw in next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay beta, so now our activity is complete. Okay, now I am sending an activity. You have to solve the activity like this activity. Okay beta.